Good morning. It is cold out there, but we have the sunshine, and we get that sunshine from start to finish. Eventually, this afternoon, temperatures are going to continue to climb and be a little bit closer to average and feel more comfortable. Maybe not so comfortable out there now. We're ranging in the 20s. You're still at 19, though, in Lawrence. It's 18 in Orange, 22 in Boston. As you look at our current wind chills, this is what it feels like, and this is how you want to dress. Prepare for it feeling like 10 degrees in Worcester. It feels like 12 in Beverly. Feels like 14 in Boston, and that is thanks to a wind that's just slight enough to add a little bit more of a chill. But we're starting to get the wind of change, starting to shift more westerly, and eventually today it's more of a southwest breeze, but staying light. It's not going to be gusty like yesterday. Here's how today unfolds. We'll be in the low 30s by about noon, and by this afternoon, high temperatures ranging in the mid to upper 30s. Some spots could hit 40 degrees. Once we get past sunset, it's cooling off into the low 30s, feeling closer to 20 degrees. We'll start off tomorrow morning with a chance for some flurries, but then temperatures take off near 50. We'll talk about that forecast ahead. All day, we get the sunshine from start to finish. It has been one of our colder mornings, but temperatures are going to actually rebound to near 50 tomorrow, and we hold on to the 50s for a couple days this week. We are timing out some rain and wind by midweek. So this morning was one of our coldest mornings so far this winter. Felt to 16 degrees in Boston. Coldest temperature we felt was 14 degrees. And our current conditions, we're slowly nudging it up there. 22 in Boston, 20 in Bedford and Worcester. The wind is light and starting to shift more, becoming more westerly, and eventually it'll be more southwesterly by this afternoon. Even though we have a light wind, it has been enough to make it feel much colder. It has been feeling like 10 degrees in Worcester, feels like 12 still in Beverly, and feels like 14 in Boston. You get the idea. We're all bundling up. Radar and satellite high pressure all around. What's going to happen? It continues to slide down to the south, and that's going to usher in a southwest breeze. We keep the sunshine and the light wind. Here's by 5 o'clock, and you can see we still have that abundant sunshine. High temperatures today ranging in the mid to upper 30s for a lot of us. Some spots could hit close to 40 degrees. I think a little bit farther north that you get with that southwest wind. Overnight, we'll see increasing cloud cover. Temperatures falling in the mid to upper 20s, closer to 30 at the coast. So these clouds are a part of some changes as we head into tomorrow. So here you see the increasing cloud cover. As we go forward into about 8, 9 o'clock, we bring in the chance for a flurry or a sprinkle. I think for most of us, some flurries, and this is part of some energy that just touches that off, but it's quick to get out of here, and then we're back into the mostly sunny skies for tomorrow afternoon. Our high temperatures, mild, mid 40s for what we'll call our coolest locations, but I think a lot of us are heading close to 50 degrees, well above average for this time of year. Temperature trend continuing to be above average in the mid to upper 50s by Tuesday and Wednesday. As we look at our month so far, it has been more mild, about 2 degrees above average, but when you look at our precipitation and snow, we've only gotten about a half an inch in either of those boxes, more than a foot below average in terms of snowfall. And because temperatures are so mild this week, when we bring in a trough and an area of low pressure, any precipitation that we get is going to be in the form of rain. Here's a look at our rainfall forecast through Thursday morning. And you can see here anywhere from about a half an inch to just a little bit over an inch of rain. Now, the other part of this system is going to be the wind picking up. I think gusts anywhere from 30 to 50 miles per hour, and maybe even a little bit stronger as a cold front passes through into Thursday morning. It's that cold front that's going to bring us back to reality as temperatures will be falling through the day on Thursday. We welcome the start of meteorological spring on Friday. Temperatures close to average with some sunshine.
All right, check this out.